Hmm? Oh, you're awake. Hush, little one, hush. Don't try to speak. You were very malnourished when I found you passed out, and I suspect you still are. Shh. It's okay. I'm not a monster. I'm a forest spirit. Something your kind may know as Mother Nature. And all I want is to take care of you. Do you understand? Come. Just relax for me. Don't my vines feel so good wrapped around your body? Doesn't my soft, warm bosom smell so delicious? Here, little one, let me put your arms around me so I can wrap my thick arms and legs around you and press our bare bodies even closer together. That's quite all right. Humans always get so embarrassed about being naked. Please, little one, there's nothing to be ashamed of. I don't mind if you stare at my breasts, my curves, my soft, supple skin. Just relax for me. Breathe in the flowery scent of my soft bosom. Listen to the sounds of the forest. Let my arms caress your body as your head lays on my soft forearms, and feel my lips gently kissing you. Feel my skin, limbs, and vines holding you. Press your face deeper into my warm cleavage. You can even run your hands over me if that's what you wish. Yes, that's a good boy. Good boy, little one. Yes. Slowly caress my skin and curves as you inhale my scent. It's okay, little one. Savor this moment of comfort and peace. If there is anything that you need, I and the forest shall provide it for you. You feel so good, caressing me so gently. And you look so cute, snuggled between my breasts. I'm glad you're enjoying yourself. I could feel many different kinds of soil on your clothes. You're a traveler, aren't you, little one? Nod or shake your head for me. Yes, I thought so. I know how you travelers always like to move from one place to another, spreading my pollen and seeds all over the world. I'm very grateful for that. But you should take some time to be still like this. You need your rest, especially someone as cute and little as you. There, little one. It's okay. You may rest here for as long as you want. I will cuddle with and around you until you are rested. Then, when you are ready to be on your way, I can summon food and water for your journey. Shh, shh, shh. Good boy. Good boy. That's it. Rest for me, cradled in my arms, held so close to my soft chest. Oh, little one, you don't owe me anything back. Trust me, getting to cuddle, pamper, and care for you like this is payment enough. Your kind calls me Mother Nature, and I would consider that to be accurate. I consider all the creatures of this world to be my children. That's why I love being able to hold you close like this. Mothering a sweet, soft little one like you is the greatest gift I could ever be given. Oh, little one, I can feel your cheeks flushing again. You know, I think a tired, cute little child like you needs a mommy. Yes, a gentle, caring, loving mother. Now hush, child, hush. Mother Nature is here. Mommy is here. Mommy is here for you, my little one. That's it. Good boy. Take slow, deep breaths of Mommy's scent. Sink into my cleavage. Let the sounds of the forest and my voice be a comforting lullaby. Your hands are slowing, my child. You're about to fall asleep, aren't you? Is Mommy's good little boy tired? Shh. Shh. It's okay, little one. Go to sleep. My body and vines will still be here when you wake up. Mommy has you, child. You're safe in Mommy Nature's embrace. So rest. Rest against Mommy's bosom and drift off to sleep, knowing that you are taken care